Hello everyone. Today I will be using little somber colors in this Dutch pour. So I'll be using these interior house paints. Basically, these are samples that I got from Lowe's for 99 cents. Pretty good deal. This paint is more of raw umber uh, kind of and is labeled as Fire Earth Satin. The company is Welspar and it has a base C. Base C often means it has deep base with less white pigments. This one is more of a light brown color, and again, it's from Welspar Base C.
Okay. Besides this, I will be using Artist Loft White and Artist Loft Copper, Artist Loft Metallic Orange, and FolkArt Gold. So let's go. Okay. So this is Artist Loft White, and this is that color I was discussing.
Now I'll let you enjoy rest of the painting with some light music, but please do like and subscribe and share your thoughts and comments. Finally, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the end with the final results.
So here's the close-up. I'm not sure you can see, the camera is able to show you all the lacing, all the cells that I got, and I did not use any silicone in these paints. These are just house paints dissolved in or diluted in PVA glue 1:1. So this is the entire piece. Let me know, what do you think of it? And if you are still with me, please comment, like and subscribe. I'll really appreciate that, and see you in the next video.